Hi there, this is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. I'm going to show you how to make the CD eject from the CD player. If you try to do it when the stereo is on FM, like on regular radio, the CD player doesn't have power. You have to move it to CD player first. So it's on radio. If I move it to CD, notice the little arrow lights up here. That's power on it. So now you can put a CD into the player and it will it'll start playing that music. And then the eject button works as well. And there you go. So you got your CD in and out, but it's only going to work when that red light is on, and that will only work when it's on the mode of CD-ROM. So you change the mode, auxiliary, radio. This is the radio,
with an Austin
and then back over to CD, and then that will light up, and that allows you to eject the CD-ROMs. But everything is working good. I'm going to put it back on radio, and that'll fix that item on the repair list. I'll keep this video up so you guys can watch it and make sure that you understand how the operation is on that CD-ROM. Okay, thanks. Bye.